What's up, beauties? Welcome to the Ferny Show. Let me show you how to extract your aloe vera gel at home. If you can, please take an organic leaf. Also, be sure to have a cutting board to avoid having the aloe vera poison everywhere. If you cut your leaf too close from the white end, here's what's gonna happen. A yellowish liquid will get out from it. That's the famous Aloin. It's basically the aloe vera latex. So I always making sure to cut it far from the white end. I remove the sides, rinse the leaf, cut it in pieces, and put it in a boil full of water for minimum 1 hour. This way I'm sure there's no Aloin anymore. I can cut the pieces in half. Look how yummy it is. Let's extract the gel with a spoon. I like to use a blender just a little bit, but it's up to you. Really important, if you use it for your hair, please make sure to strain it to avoid having aloe vera pulp stuck in your hair. I'm using a nut milk bag, real saver. I've purchased mine on Amazon. The link will be in the DB if you want to have a look. You can add a little bit of water. I do it to collect all the gel left in the blender. I strain it once, but you can definitely do it a couple of times. And look what will have been stuck in your hair. That's a real mess. You can keep your aloe vera for a couple of weeks in your fridge, but for me the best way to preserve it is to freeze it. You can use an ice cube tray to make it easier. If you need some, just take a cube and you're good to go. If you watched the whole video, thanks so much. Please tell me how you use the aloe vera gel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!